Okay, I'm going to show you 5 free programs not to install on Windows 10. So let's go. So the first program to uninstall or never install is CCleaner. CCleaner basically cleans out old junk files and cleans out your registry. It was good back in the day on, say, Windows XP, but with Windows 10 basically maintains its own file structure and cleans out old junk files, so you don't need another program to do it. Another reason why CCleaner is no good is Avast, which is a antivirus company, actually bought CCleaner, and soon after that they were hacked and they got infected with viruses. So yeah, sounds a bit risky. Right, so the next program, it's obviously Avast. Now Avast, having the problems with CCleaner, was a good antivirus a couple of years ago. I've used them for years and they were fine as a free antivirus, as an alternative to Windows Defender. But there were some issues with Avast. It kept hitting me with ads pop up, trying to push me onto their premium version, and yeah, I just don't like that. But there was a issue. Let's just go to the article. This is from Consumer Reports. Let's see this part. Okay, I'm just gonna read it. According to articles published Monday by Motherboard and PC Mag, now they are renowned publishing companies, Avast antivirus software appeared to track users' clicks and movements across the web. Now that's just a big problem for everybody. It's a privacy issue. If they're gonna track your movements or they're just gonna spy on you, then yeah, I wouldn't touch Avast anymore. I mean, they tracked you on Google searches, LinkedIn, YouTube videos, and porn websites. So they definitely spy on you. So Avast for me is a no-go area. So a good alternative to Avast, I would just say it's Windows Defender, the built-in version of Windows. Now Defender was pretty bad years ago, but it's way better now, and for a free antivirus it's, you know, on par with all the other free antiviruses out there. So I would just suggest don't install any antivirus, for me anyway. I'm fine with Defender. So yeah, just keep it up to date, and it will protect you from most infections. If you want a third-party antivirus, I would suggest anti-malware Bytes. Now you can buy the premium version, which would run in the background and constantly scan and look for threats, or you can get a free version where you just manually run a scan now and then if you're not sure about something, if you just want that peace of mind. So yeah, Windows Defender and Malwarebytes, pretty good combo. Okay, let's move on. So the next program I wouldn't install is Utorrent. Now I've used Utorrent extensively years ago, well, pretty much up to now. It was a good torrent client. It did its job, but I stumbled upon this article. Let's just go there, and it says Utorrent quietly installs a cryptocurrency miner on users' computers. Unbelievable, can't believe it. They want to make money on the back end from your computer. Now if they tell me this is what they're gonna do, then it's fine, you know, maybe I get some of that coin too, but just to do it quietly, sneaky like that, don't like it. Now they I know they need to make money, but at least, you know, let me know. So this is sneaky. I just uninstalled them as quickly as possible. Okay, so a good alternative to them is Utorrent. I think everybody is just moving to Qubit, and yeah, it's pretty good, straightforward. There's no privacy issues or anything like that. Right, so the last program to uninstall, surprising Internet Explorer. Yeah, it comes with Windows, so it's already installed, and you can actually still download it. I see they obviously want you to use Edge, download Edge, but Explorer 11 is still here. This is their old browser. They've moved on to Edge, which is Chromium based. Anyway, you need to uninstall this because there's no real support. It's full of bugs and security loopholes, so I would just not use it. And if your parents or anybody you know use it, I mean, just ask them to uninstall it, or you can uninstall it for them. So let's just I'm just going to show you how to uninstall it if you're not sure. So go to the search, just type in control panel, click on control panel, click uninstall a program. So programs, uninstall program. Right, now you won't find it in the normal list of your software. You have to go on the left bar here, turn Windows features on or off. Right, so yeah, it will be in here. There it is, Internet Explorer 11. So just untick that box, say yes, and then say okay, and it will get rid of that crazy browser. That's it. We got rid of a few useless programs. So yeah, let me know if there's any programs you don't like or install ever. And as always, if you spot any mistakes, let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe so that I can make more videos like this. Thanks.